AI applications prevalent today were constructed using conventional machine learning models, relying on learning algorithms crafted and managed by data scientists. These models necessitate human involvement to assimilate new information and execute tasks beyond their initial training. For instance, Siri, integrated into iOS by Apple in 2011, required ongoing human intervention to expand its knowledge base and functionalities. The landscape of AI has undergone significant changes since the introduction of artificial neural networks in 2012, facilitating reinforcement learning and emulating human cognitive processes. In contrast to basic machine learning, deep learning models empower AI to acquire new skills, engage in novel behaviors, and make decisions independently, ushering in capabilities like task automation, content generation, and predictive maintenance across various industries. As deep learning and other advancements shape the AI landscape, the field remains dynamic and rapidly evolving. The